Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to cover the Bhangra Dhamaal. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. This may not be the exact name for the rhythm, but it's a variation of Dhamaal that you commonly hear in live Bhangra sets. I'm going to break this down into 4 parts so that it's easier to piece together the bowls and the motions of the sticks. It's technically 3 parts that you will have to learn because parts 2 and 4 are the same. You'll understand what I mean by this momentarily. The structure of this video will be as follows. I will play a quick overview for you so that you know what the rhythm sounds like. Then we'll break it down into the 4 sequences, followed by piecing it back together. In the first part, dan, geda, gena, I want you guys to practice this the most. Reason being, all of the sequences end with geda, gena, and if you're able to get this, the rest of it will be a breeze. A couple things to keep in mind. 1. The ge before the da is a ghost note, so you don't want to give it too much emphasis. When you're setting up your daga, it's going to be set up as an upstroke, so you want to start with your daga close to the bass side, and then you want to tap it lightly, pull up, and that way it sets you up for the subsequent da. The second thing to keep in mind are the nas, which are played as upstrokes. It's important to do this because they're meant to be subtle. The only time that you're going to play a na at a full strike is when you start with it. This will be in parts 2 and 4. In the next part, I will play all the parts of the sequence with a gap between them. This will be played a total of 2 times, followed by the entire thing continuously without gaps, and this will also be played twice. If you have a daga and a tilli close by, grab it and try to play along on your legs. Let's take a look at the whole thing from start to finish, starting at a slow speed and then gradually increasing. This is the end of the lesson, but before you guys go, if you found this video useful, make sure you guys hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel to stay on top of lessons to come. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.